So this is the brand new RFID Reader RC522, and I will open the plastic package first, and then we will continue to learn how to use this with an Arduino. But before that, we have to solder the header to the RFID reader first. We can choose to use the straight header or the curved one. Once you decided, let's solder the RFID reader. In this video, I will use the straight header because it will easier for me to stick it to a breadboard. Take a look at the wiring diagram. Connect the RFID reader with Arduino just like the diagram. Once you're done connecting the Arduino with the RFID reader, double check the wiring. We have to install the libraries first, and we have two libraries to use this tutorial. The library are RFID Master and RFID. You can download the libraries from the link in the description from miliohm.com. See the code? Yes, that's the very simple way to read the RFID tag using the Arduino. At the beginning, we include the library that is SPI and RFID, and then define the pin for SS and RST. After that, we create the variable to store the string tag. And then we init the SPI and the RFID, and this is the program. If RFID is reading a card, then we will store the RFID number or the code of the RFID into the RFID card variable, and then we print that and halt the RFID. And that is the very simple code for reading the tag of RFID. And then we upload the code to Arduino, and let's see the serial monitor. When I put the RFID tag near the RFID reader, the RFID will print the tag number of my card. This is the example. Wait, before we continue this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification to make us more excited to make another video. And that is the number of my tag. And then I will try to change the tag. And this is the second tag number, and I will try the other, and this is the third tag. We have 3 different tags and can read successfully by the RFID reader and the Arduino. And I will make a simple program. So if I tap the blue keychain RFID, it will blink and buzzer. So every the right RFID tag, that is the blue one, it will make the buzzer has short sound 3 times, and if we put the wrong tag, it will make the buzzer sound long for 2 seconds. So I will use the pin 13. So if the tag is wrong, it will sound long for 2 seconds. Okay, I should put this on the RFID is card, so it will only sound when the RFID is reading a card. Okay, sorry, I forgot that I already used the pin 13, so I will move the buzzer to pin 8. Okay, let's upload the RFID program and let's try the program. So I add the buzzer to pin 8 of Arduino. I connect the positive of buzzer to pin 8 of Arduino and the ground of buzzer to the ground of Arduino. Okay, so every I put the wrong tag, it will sound for 2 seconds, and if I put the right tag, it will sound 3 times short. Okay, I will make a little edit, so I will decrease the delay when the buzzer is sound when the right tag is tapped, and will print in the serial monitor that access is granted, and when the tag is wrong, it will print in the serial monitor that access is denied. So that is the video about how to use the RFID RC522 with Arduino. In the next video, maybe we can make a project to open or lock a door. So it's an RFID door lock. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friend. See you in another video. Bye.